So it is like 5 a.m. in the morning. Why are we training so early? That way I have a little bit more time for disc golf, as I have a tournament coming up this weekend. But we're still working out. Give me 1 second, guys. I am actually not going to use clips today because we are going pretty heavy. We're going to have 5 sets. I'm probably only going to get 1 rep. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But we're trying 205. I did warm up 205 because it seems like it's going to be somewhat heavy. Definitely seems like it's going to be manageable, but we're going to have to see once I get onto the bar. But we're going to do 5 sets of as many reps as I can safely in a garage gym. So if I start, like even when I unrack this, if I decide that I ain't got it, we're probably going to drop the weight a little bit. But we're going to at least give it an attempt, okay? Always have a spotter, which I don't have right now, but I know how to get it off me, so always try to be safe. So, I got you. All right, back to working out. Let's go. Well, see guys, I can't even unrack it right now. So we're going to drop the weight. Sometimes that happens, you know what I mean? So, if I can't unrack it, that's probably a sign that that's too heavy right now. So we got this for a warm-up. Should add a little more, because I was able to get a few reps. Alright. Let's try this. I'm keeping this in, by the way. There it is. Alright, that felt a lot better. Got 3 reps. I was kind of shooting for 2. I'm not trying to go too heavy, but I want that feeling, especially because I'm tired right now. I'm doing 5 sets. I won't add 5 pounds. I was thinking about it, but also, I got this one right, Count One. Ain't just a really cool shirt. This is when I bought their supplements. This is just a really cool looking shirt. I'm not sponsored by them or nothing, but I do like this shirt. Second set. You know, we're going to shoot for 3 reps every set. Now that I got the first set, that's kind of what I do, is I kind of go by the first set, how many reps I'm going to do. I have a number in my head, but we're going to shoot for 3. heavier than it should be right now. That's what? 135, 155, 160. I'm not 100% yet. I know I was sick like 2 weeks ago. This is just showing I'm not quite there yet. Tomorrow we're doing the stones again with deadlifts. Ugh, my eye. Okay. Ready for third set? Yes, those are pause reps. I'm not good at doing 1, 2, 3. I like pause reps for some reason. This is the current condition of my state of mind. Got some NF in my ear. There we go. I know I probably make really weird faces when I'm working with my phone. Whew. Not quite even. Let's get this fourth set out the way. 3. Little Tech 9. Not the right type of music right now. That'll work. Jeez, keep getting an eyelash in my bad eye. Which I will be having surgery on here soon. More on that in an upcoming video, but... Fifth set. Let's go. Five sets. Also, one thing I wanted to bring up. yes, I am starting under the bar more than I want to be. It's more because I still have to drill the hole in this bench to get it a little bit higher. And when I'm laying down to pull it, I'm still like, I'm halfway through the rep, so I'm having to pull it all the way up to the rep to do the rep. Instead of being like here at the top of the rep where I can just pop and get into the rep. I gotta like be down here already in part of a rep. So that's why I'm starting so high up. I'm normally back here a little bit. Want to make that clarification, but as I always say, and I'm always going to say at the end of my videos, it don't matter if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you got, right? Always remember to go for your dreams, right? Because those 10 minutes could be that 10 minutes that you needed to get your dream. I'm going to unrack this, don't go to bed to get some sleep, but keep working. We're going to keep working.